Hi, I'm David Cantor with the Law Offices of David Michael Cantor. Today I'm going to talk about what's known as a third offense regular DUI. What does that mean? That means any DUI in which the blood alcohol content is 149 or less, or DUI drugs, in which it's a third offense within 7 years. Now, it's kind of a misnomer. People say, oh, I got a third offense. Technically, a third offense in 7 years is charged as a first offense felony, or what's known as an aggravated DUI, in which the mandatory minimum punishment is 4 months in prison, day for day. Now, sometimes the city will decide not to charge the felony, and they'll charge it as a misdemeanor. And if they allege the 2 prior convictions, they're going to want 180 days on this third one. Now, that's jail, not prison, because you can do a work release, 12 hours in a day, 12 hours out a day, 5 days a week while you go to work. Now, the problem with this is the jail costs will run up to $14,500 in jail costs for 180 days, and the fine will be $3,500. On top of that, you'll lose your license for well over a year. You have to do an ignition interlock device in your car for well over a year. All sorts of problems occur. Now, the reason that cities will charge a third offense as a third offense instead of routing it up to county for felony is because there's usually a problem with one of the priors. Usually it's an out-of-state prior, meaning a guy's got one DUI in Arizona as a prior, and he's got one in another state, maybe Minnesota. And they know if they get that prior packet in, and that packet doesn't have an accurate fingerprint, or if the judge didn't read what's called a guilty plea proceeding advisement, didn't read that properly, or if the person wasn't told they could have an attorney and they waived that in writing, there's going to be some flaws. That means they have to fly somebody out from Minnesota in order to testify, no, he was told this, this, and this, it's a valid prior. So what they'll do is they'll try and charge it as a third offense in the city court to see if they can get somebody to plead guilty and eat 180 days. If you've been charged with a third DUI, or any DUI, you should contact us immediately. We have a 24-hour answering service, and we have an alphanumeric pager, or they'll contact us by cell phone. We have both bases covered, and we'll contact you right back. Also, if you email us from the website, we'll set you up to meet with us for a free initial office consultation. It doesn't cost you anything but 30 minutes of your time. If you go to our website, dmcantor.com, you'll also see in our victory section that we're very successful at DUIs. We have thousands of DUI victories. But if this applies to you, a loved one, or a family member, contact us and we'll help you out.